Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can build your own text-to-speech tool for free, even if you have zero coding experience. Here's why it's a great idea. It adds value to your blog or website, improves accessibility, helps with SEO and user engagement, and it's just plain fun to build. This kind of tool lets your users type or paste text and then hear it read out loud, perfect for blogs, educational sites, or accessibility tools. And the best part? You can run it right on platforms like Blogger, Netlify, or GitHub Pages, all for free. So what is a text-to-speech or TTS tool? It's a simple app that converts written text into spoken voice using synthetic audio. You've probably seen it on websites, in voiceovers, or apps designed for the visually impaired. Now you can create your own. Here's what you'll need: a basic understanding of HTML and JavaScript, but don't worry, I'll give you the full code. A free hosting platform like Blogger or Netlify, and finally, the ResponsiveVoice.js library, which powers the text-to-speech engine in the browser. Step 1. Get the code. Here's a simple HTML structure that creates a text box and a speak button. The code uses responsive voice to read whatever text is entered. Just paste this into an HTML file and replace your key here type with your API key from responsivevoice.org. You can start with the free key or upgrade to Pro if you want MP3 downloads. Next, open the file in any modern browser. Type some text, hit the speak button, and boom, it reads it out loud. That's your basic TTS tool ready to go. Now let's talk about where to host it. Option 1, Blogger. Create a new page, switch to HTML view, paste your code, and publish. Option 2, Netlify. Just drag and drop your zipped code, and you'll get a live URL instantly. Option 3, GitHub Pages. If you're familiar with GitHub, this is a great option too. Want to take it further? You can add play, pause, stop buttons, multiple voices, dark mode, or even audio download. Available with the Responsive Voice Pro plan. Adding tools like this can seriously boost your website's usefulness and traffic. And the best part, you didn't need any backend, database, or heavy coding. So, ready to build your own TTS tool? Check out the full guide on my blog, link is in the description. And if you want the full zip file with everything ready to go, just drop a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who wants to create cool, useful tools online for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.